My name is MC Cats. My friends call me King of the Mic. The others call me Mr. Showbiz. I call myself an all-round entertainer. So basically today we're here to talk about HIV/AIDS. Yeah, you know when you say it, some of you are like, what's up? Yeah, man, you may be cool, you may be fly, you may be thinking this disease is for the olden ages, but this disease is still here for the youth out there. Now today, basically what we want to focus on, and that's why I'm coming to universities all over the country, courtesy of people I'm working with, just to remind all of us, all the youth out there, all my G's, all my beautiful girls out there, that HIV is still here. And if you have it, there's medication. There's no use to fear to get medication, because either if you don't get it, it's going to kill you. It's not going to kill anybody else. And there's no reason as to why you have it and you spread it. Just put it in your head like if you're spreading it, and they also give it to your sister, cousin, bestie. So first of all, if you know you have HIV, like, this medication works. I've been on it. I can be a living testimony. Nothing changes. You stay absolutely normal. Nothing changes. You still eat, you still sleep, you live your normal life. And for those of you that I've checked, because now checking is easy. We have all these oral things. You can use your saliva, you can use a drop of blood. They're all over pharmacies. Please check out and find out. And if you're still negative, take care of yourself. Let it not be the parties, let it not be the iPhones, the kawundos, the belayers popping in the club.